In this video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT, and if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, we're currently on the ChatGPT website. Now, at the moment, there's not actually an official app that's been released that you can actually download onto your computer. However, what you can actually do is if you come across to the Microsoft Store and you go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search box, then what you're going to see, if I just come back to the desktop so you can see better, and what you're going to see is it's going to load up some programs. Now, there's a couple of these that actually do use the ChatGPT interface. So some of these do actually use the same sort of software, but some of them are paid. So for example, this one here, which is called Chatbot, you can see if we click onto this one, for myself, it's actually £3.29, but you can see it says down here in the description a little bit about what the chatbot does. And it does actually say that Chatbot adopts the latest ChatGPT 3.5 interface, which means you can directly experience the function without going through a network proxy. So there are some free applications as well. For example, we got like this one, which is called Micro AI. It's an AI chatbot, and this is a similar sort of program. But I've read through, and this one doesn't look like it does use the current ChatGPT technology. It looks like an own interface that's been created. So if you want to download an app that currently does use the ChatGPT interface, this is the best one to look for. It's called Chatbot. As I say, there is a bit of a price to pay. But if you do want the app on your computer, this is the best way around it until there is an update when ChatGPT will launch an official app that can be installed. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.